In a world full of societal expectations, some women lead with purpose, rise through challenges, and define success on their own terms. Women of Worth, a mentorship series by Forbes India and L'Oréal Paris, where celebrated women pass on their knowledge, shaping the future of their industry. From pioneers to rising star, this is more than advice, it's transformation. When women empower women, we all rise. Every voice echoes strength, and every choice shapes one's self worth.
Hi, Nishta.
Hello, ma'am.
It's so nice to see you after, I think, 2 years.
Yes.
And it's so nice to be chatting with you. I always feel that I see a bright future when I see you. So it's so nice to see you. And I remember seeing you when you were just 10 years old. And that's when we met for the first time. And this was one of the reality shows that we did.
Yes.
And from there, and now you're 18. How do you feel? What has your journey been?
I think, ma'am, first of all, it's my honor that I'm sitting with you. And after all those years, I'm here chatting with you about my journey. When you are the one who has witnessed everything in my life, I think every little thing that I've done from the age of 10, आपने सब देखा है. और आपने वो तराशने में मुझे बहुत हेल्प की है. एवरी स्टेप दैट आई टुक, मैं जो गाने कर रही थी मैंने आपको भेजा है, मैं जो शोज़ कर रही थी मैंने उसके बारे में आपको बताया है, और आपने मुझे पूरे थ्रू आउट दिस टाइम आपने गाइड किया. और मैं ईश्वर से यही कामना करती हूँ कि आगे भी आप मुझे ऐसे ही गाइड करते रहें. आई थिंक आई हैव बीन लर्निंग फ्रॉम यू एवर सिंस. तो आई थिंक आई एम टेकिंग दैट विथ मी एंड आई एम वर्किंग हार्ड so that I can be better and I can just be on this constant focus कि मैं मेहनत करती रहूँ और आपको और परिवार को proud feel करवाऊँ. I know that how you have moved from reality show, then you have done so many live shows with such big maestros. I just want to know कि आपको कब महसूस होता है that this is the time that you want to take a creative risk or you want to do something different for your audience, and how do you get that zest? How do you do it?
I think firstly you should be excited about something. Like today we are sitting, and this is the first time that we are calling this series as a mentor and a mentee relationship. I really believe in it because I've always believed that एक mentor life में ज़रूर चाहिए होता है because they guide you, and somewhere they are always always telling you that okay, you're on the right path. So वो ज़रूरी होता है because parents and family are there as a backbone, but somebody who is in the field and if they are telling you that yes, you are doing the right thing, that gives you a lot of confidence. So I that's why today we are doing this, because this I believe in, and it excited me that I'll get to talk to you. And over the years, last 8 years में क्या आपकी growth है, I want to share that with the world, and I want you to share how you're feeling. So anything that I do, it has to firstly excite me. We are in a very different era now. When you started, when you were 10 years old, everything was just the medium on television mostly. Then arrived the digital era, and now a lot of validation or a lot of ऐसा लगता है कि if you have more likes, that means you are worth it. Do you think that inspires you कि likes आने चाहिए?
I think, मैम, when I started ये social media का journey, तो पहले तो मैं normally post करती थी because I love to sing. That's exactly what I do. So I like to share my music with the world. When I started seeing that there are a lot of people who are connecting with me, तो धीरे धीरे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि everybody is liking it and all of this, and you somewhere you get lost कि maybe likes are important and all of this is important. But I think I will give some credits. I think I will give all my credits to my parents. They have kept me very grounded with this thing, and they have told me कि भले ही वो likes and all is important in today's generation, but what you want to do, the bigger picture में जो मुझे playback singing की journey में जाना है, मुझे अपनी आवाज़ हर household तक पहुँचानी है. I will use that medium. I will definitely post my songs, but with the intention that I want to do it. I am feeling happy with that music. So that's how I'm using my social media, and I'm trying my best with my parents' guidance to not get affected by likes and views, but I'm staying constant. Ma'am, I've seen you performing so many roles in your life, as a wife, as a mother, as a daughter, as a performer, and as an artist. There are so many responsibilities on you, and I think आपके भी लाइफ में इतना सारा ups and downs आता है. I just want to know that when it's like the toughest day for you, what keeps you going? What do you do? What are those habits that makes you feel like, no, I have to get out of this and I have to get to work and I have to do better? How do you do it?
First, let me take a deep breath, because yes, there are many days where I feel overwhelmed, and of course everybody does, and especially when you are a mother, then there is a lot that you have to plan. So I think what happens, I think discipline really helps. If you are very focused, and I don't waste time on anything that doesn't mean anything to me, so I really have to like stick to my time. Because that's so important for me to get my time with my son, or my time with my music. To have that as a quality time, I finish everything. I try to work out in the morning, wake up early. I try to do my riyaz so that I can be fresh and available for my son when he wakes up. So I feel like everything you have to, if you really want to do it, you can do it. Like a lot of people say, oh, distraction ho jata hai, ye ho jata hai. No, if you want to do it, you can do it. You just have to really make time for it. So there are days when it's tough, but just that you have to stay focused. So Nishtha, you're 18 and you already have made choice. Okay, you already are a young woman, you know, who's buzzing with energy, talent, and who's in a city like Mumbai, who has left Sultanpur. So what is something that is driving you, and how can it also inspires so many girls who want to be like you?
Ma'am, I think this entire concept goes on with the fact that I'm very passionate about what I want to do. My vision of my life for the next 20 to 30 years, I have thought everything. I may not be in the order. Maybe कुछ चीज़ें आगे हो जाएंगी, कुछ चीज़ें पीछे हो जाएंगी, कुछ चीज़ें डिले हो जाएंगी, कुछ चीज़ें जल्दी हो जाएंगी. But I am very sure what I want to do, what I want to achieve. And the only thing is this, that I also learned from you is patience. When I came to Mumbai, fortunately, I texted you that, ma'am, I'm here. And you welcomed me so well and you gave me so much love. I want to take it forward as well. When I become big, I want to give that love to other women, to other people who want to make their names and become big. So that is coming from the belief that I have in myself.
That's amazing, because it's very important to know your worth, and that's what decides your choices.
Yes.
Also. So and the fact that we are women and we are able to make our own choices.
Yes.
And our self-worth is very
Yes.
important to us,
Yes.
because nobody else should decide what you want to do,
Yes.
how you want to be in your career, you know. And I think that's why women have to talk about this.
Yes.
We have to share it with other women who sometimes think twice that
Yes.
do I have self-worth? Do I have to ask my father or my husband or my brother about this? But I feel like if you are in a very supportive environment, be it your sisters, your mothers, or your father, brother, husband, whoever, I think it'll just, you know, your self-worth will be raised.
Yes.
And you will be able to make your own choices.
Right.
And then you will realize you can do anything that you once set your heart on. Nishtha, it was so nice chatting with you. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है that when I meet you, the more maturity is there in you, more clarity is there, and you know, you're this young, successful woman who's just up and onwards in her career. So I feel super proud.
Thank you.
And you know, I just wish the best for you, and
Thank you
may
so much.
your voice reach every corner of the world, and may you be the nightingale for all of us. God
Thank
bless
you so much, ma'am. I think I get emotional when I speak about you, when I hear you, when I see your videos. Every time I feel that immense deep respect for you, because you are just not a singer for me. You're genuinely somebody that I look up to, and it's there in my diaries. It's there in my parents' mind. Everybody know that. And 15 years. We have known each other, and I just want that I get your blessings for the rest of my life like this. I will make you proud, and please keep giving us the melodies that you give to the world, because that is what is inspiring me to become better every day. So thank you so much for doing this with me, Chippa.
No, you always speak so well.
One voice seasoned by time, another just taking flight. As Neeti and Nishta exchange stories, it's clear wisdom isn't just passed down, it's shared. In that sharing, my worth, my choice becomes a living truth, and both journeys grow stronger. Forbes India W Power, L'Oreal Women of Worth, a tribute to women who redefine strength on their own terms.